Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get approved for Klarna. So in order to get Klarna, there are few points which you can make, you can ensure in order to get approved on Klarna. For example, one is obviously your age must be 18 years of older. So that's one thing, maybe that's one of our basics requirements. So another thing is your credit history. You have to make sure you have a positive credit history. So if you have a good credit history, then the chance of being approved is much higher. So just make sure that you don't miss or delay any payments. So just try to maintain a positive credit history. And also make sure that you don't have a lot of debt. So because having a lot of debt may affect your credit history. So that will also affect your history, to just try to avoid having too many debts. So that will also increase the chance of your chances to get approved. And also connect your bank account. So if there is option to connect your Klarna to your bank account, just do it. And if you do so, then Klarna will have much better way to actually access your application through your banking details, and then the planner will have a clear picture about your account. So that will increase your chances of being approved as well. And also sometimes the amount of your order might be too high, so that it might not get approved. So try to reduce your order and try to reduce the amount and then try again. So these are some of the pretty basic points which you can keep in mind when you are trying for an app for an approval. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.